crazy, yo.
What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video, man. Listen here, driving 707 horsepower in the pouring rain, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, this is sketchy. Especially, I just got off the freeway. I actually got off on my exit, but driving on the throughway, man, doing 50. Boy, that joint is sketchy with these tires. I'm gonna definitely have to look into some better tires for next season, but I mean, they doing well, but I can tell when switching lanes, nah, this ain't, I'm gonna do it anyway, but this probably, for the people who just wanna be ignorant and don't really know how to drive, this probably not the car for y'all. This probably not the car to be driving in pouring rain like this, because it's definitely sketchy. Like, you gotta be real focused and real careful. Other than that, I haven't hydroplaned or anything yet. It was just a smooth drive all the way down. You know how, like, when you're driving though, when it get real though, like, you know how you gotta, like, bro, it got so crazy, I had to turn the music down, like, hold on. Yo, it started pouring mad hard, bro. So I to the point where I couldn't even see, like, too much in front of me. I had to turn the music down, like, focus. Yeah, this real. I mean, I feel like in the winter it'll be better, because obviously in the winter you driving slow anyway. You really can't go that fast. But in the rain, you can still do 40, 50, but it's just, you gotta be careful, man. It's sketchy. So yeah, I had to turn the cameras on, man, just to slow my pace down a little bit, cause that was type scary, yo. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm switching lanes. I don't know if the car wanna slide to the left or right or not. So pretty much the perfect day, because this is the first time I really I drove the last 2 days, which was raining, but it was only like sprinkling. Today is pouring. So when I was on the expressway, it was like pouring, y'all, like to the point, like y'all can see my point of view right here on this camera, how I could see this car in front of me. When I was on the throughway, I could not see the car in front of me. So it's a little better now, but on that throughway it's crazy, because you got all the rain coming off the car, plus it's raining mad hard anyway. So right now we good, and I think we'll be good for the rest of the day, long as we cruise or whatever to this next stop we gotta go to. See, everybody going slower right now too. It's 55, everybody doing about 45, which is respectable because it's raining. Oh, excuse me. So only thing I think I gotta do is, man, is when it start, I was gonna put my winters on, but I don't think I want to put them on just yet. I think I can still last on the stock tires for now with the rain. I'm not gonna switch my tires out literally until I see like the first little bit of snowfall come out. Then I think I'm gonna switch my tires out. I don't think I need them yet. I don't need to be wearing them down in the rain. Yeah, that was crazy. It got so bad, bro. I couldn't even see the... Yo, you know it's real when you gotta turn your music down. Make it seem like you could drive better without the music. Yo, I was like, let me turn this music down real quick, because I need to be able to see. For real, this joint crazy. I'm more concerned about, not even worried about, like, crashing, but I'm just more concerned that it's a crash in a brand new car. That's all I really care about. This is an older car, I probably wouldn't care, but the fact that I just got it 3 months ago, no way I can't be totaling nothing out. I mean, I know I'm not. I'm just saying, like, I know I'm a pretty good driver. At least I think I am, and I can handle most conditions of driving. So I know some people, they be cracking under pressure when the rain be like that, and they don't know what to do. Some people just pull over because it's just too much. Not me though. I'm gonna drive through that joint. Oh yeah, we good now though. So I'm gonna get to my next spot and I'm gonna turn the camera back on. I'm gonna let y'all know how the rest of my drive was. I still got about 50 minutes till I get to my store. So I'm gonna hit y'all back once I get to the store, y'all. That supercharger screaming literally from 6,000 RPM down. Alright, let me chill now. I'm in a little town. Shit sounds so good. Alright, I'm burning up my gas for y'all, man. Alright, so I'm 20 minutes out. 20 minutes out and where I'm at, the roads are, it's not raining as much. You see, I see the sun now. I know y'all seen a little small little cinematics of the road and stuff. So it's brighter out here and the roads aren't as wet. That's why I did those couple pulls for y'all just now. Damn, supercharger sounding crazy, man. Sounds so good. I never really gave it a half throttle and just let it go all the way up through the gear like that to actually listen to the supercharger. It sounds crazy, man. Because usually I'm just smashing out, I'm going fast, and you can't really hear it as well as you just banging through gears. But it sounds crazy just letting it go all the way through the gears. Dang, it sounds crazy. So pretty much, man, overall, I think that the Hellcat in the rain isn't that bad. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, it is sketchy. Oh, that's one of my stores right there. I gotta come back to. I'm just going to the farthest one, then I'm gonna head back. It is pretty sketchy, but it's nothing, man. If you're a driver, it's nothing you can't handle. You should be able to drive in the rain, no problem. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this. It look beautiful out here. I wish my car was clean. I would've got some nice little pics. Oh, we going back to 55? Man, it's wet out. That's why I love country roads, bro. Like, it's just open. You ain't gotta worry about nothing. Second reason why I love my job, bro. I'm always on the road and I can do stuff like this. Look, there's literally, that was almost like a whole mile with no cars, bro. I could just listen to that supercharger. I need a little bit more noise in my exhaust, man. A little bit more. But y'all can see, man, even with the tires a little bit wet, they still catch a little bit of traction. They get loose. But once you just let out of it and then go back in it hooked right after that. My, bro, this car. I'll never get enough of this car, bro. Literally burning up all a little bit of gas I got left. That's all spin right there. All spin. Oh, these are a little dry right here. Let me see. Oh yeah, that was way drier. My God. That 20 minutes out turned into 9 real quick. Oh man, yeah. So if anybody wondering if they could drive the Hellcat in pouring rain, you can. You definitely can, as long as you're being careful and safe, man. Like I said, I wasn't even doing the speed limit, honestly. I was doing slightly under it just to be a little more careful because it was pouring raining. So yeah, I was doing slightly under. But honestly, that was fine enough for me. I made it. I got to this little town. I don't even know where I'm at. Haleysville. I don't even know where I'm at, but that worked for me, man. So you could definitely drive your Hellcat in the pouring rain. So I'm gonna give y'all one more pull, man. That's pretty much all I got for this video today. Ain't it road dry right here? Let me see if it hook at 45. Nope. Got a little squirrely. But that's not bad though for a wet tire. I know a lot of people be talking a lot of trash about the Pirellis. Don't get me wrong, they not the greatest tires, but they not the worst either. They've been doing good for me. I remember when I first got my car, like the first 2 weeks, and I was just doing pulls, they was hooking for me pretty well. They wasn't like immediate, but like 15, 20 miles an hour, they was hooking for me, so. But maybe because I wasn't like just smashing right into it, I was laying in it slightly and then full throttle in it. But I don't know, everybody different with how they drive their car, so. But it was doing well for me. Oh my God, supercharger sounds so crazy. Oh my God, man. Y'all have a great day, man. I'm out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Be safe and stay positive, man. I'm out, man. Peace. So I decided I wasn't gonna end my video just yet. I finally got to my store. Needed to stretch my legs a little bit, man. Seeing this little Camaro SS sounded pretty good when he started it up, so. But she is nasty. We gotta get her washed, y'all. She's looking terrible right now. But y'all see what's going on, man. Out here in these little country roads working. I want to see if he gonna hit it. Give me some noise. Ah, boo. Trash. I thought he was gonna give me some noise. But anyway, man, we here. There go Jellycat looking crazy. Crazy dirty. I'm enjoying it, man. I'm enjoying it. It'll be actually it's 3 months. It was 3 months last week, so 3 months with the car, y'all. Nothing but greatness, man. No complaints. The car's amazing. I love it all around, man. I really don't think I could have got a better car for my money, man. Not a single car. But that's pretty much it, man. I'm on this hill. I might have to take a picture real quick of the car on this little hill. But that's all I got. That's all I got for y'all, man. Y'all stay tuned for the next video. Hopefully y'all like that video. I gave y'all some good pulls and I showed y'all driving in the rain. It's pretty much anything's possible with that car, man. I think driving in the rain, driving in the snow, obviously summer is where it shines the best at. So, but it could be driven all year round, man. And that's what I'm here to show y'all, man. I'm here to show y'all this car could be driven anywhere, all year round, all day, man, 24/7. So that's what we gonna do, man. I can't wait till it starts snowing just to show y'all how the car react in the snow. I might have to buy one more GoPro to stick on the outside, just so we could get some different kind of visuals on the outside while we in the snow. So, but y'all stay safe, man. Y'all have a great day, man. Stay positive. I'm gonna see you on the next video, man. We out, man. Peace.